bootstrapping, but when do you decide, okay, this is capital that I need for scale, and I can do more by spending some capital instead of having that bootstrap mindset? Because I think at times you get in the clutter to do all your own, you need to add that, you know, whether it's technology or additional hires in order to scale faster.
Yeah, so most of the hires that I make, I call them, we call it internally, we're looking for Draymond Green. Okay, so someone that will go do it all. Like, you know, will shoot a three-pointer, they will talk trash, they will block a shot, they will go dive for a ball, or they'll just be on the sidelines still talking, like keeping it going.
Yeah.
Like, that's what we try to find, just utility players. So that's where I found like this secret like way to navigate bootstrapping. Find someone that has, they don't have to be awesome at everything or even one thing. They just have to be curious, and they don't mind like getting in and getting dirty. We found that to be wildly successful.